Hello everyone, welcome back to our learning path. We will talk about one more function today. I hope we will enjoy learning together. Today we will talk about dir function. So dir function is basically a built-in function which returns all the properties, methods, even the built-in properties and methods of the specified object. Built-in properties and methods are predefined in Python. These can be reused in our program as per the requirement. So let's talk about the syntax of dir function. So dir function takes single parameter, that is object, but it's not mandatory to pass object in dir function as it's optional. There might be a question in your mind, what does dir return? Dir returns a list of attributes of the object which is passed as a parameter. Dir produces relevant information of the object passed in parameters. That's why it responds differently with the different type of object you passed. If you talk about the class object, it returns a list of names of all the valid attributes and the base attributes as well. If no parameters are passed, it returns a list of names in the current local scope. So let's see how to use dir function with some examples. So here you can see I have not passed any parameter in dir function, so it will return a list of names in the current local scope. So this is the output. These all are the list of names in the current local scope. Let's move to example 2. Here I have declared a variable with name var2 and initialized it with the value xyz. Here again I have declared a function with the name new function. Now if I run the print command to print list of the name in the current local scope, it will include var2 and the new function also in its list. So let's see, are these two is variable 2 and new function is available in the list. So yes, you can see new function and var2. See, var2 is also in a part of the list. Let's move to example 3. In this example I will pass my function as a parameter in dir. And it will return all the attribute, classes and function contained in that my function. So like this you can just write print dir function, and that you can pass the name of the function with a parameter. And here I am also passing the variable 3 as a parameter of dir. Here dir directory function is displaying the list of all the modules, classes, attributes which is a Here dir function will display all the classes modules of my function, and here these all classes modules attributes are of var3. So like this you can use the dir function. So I'm signing off with the hope that we moved a bit forward with our learning. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye.